The wonders of science are truly fascinating, and you'll be amazed after watching this. First, using just an empty plastic bottle, you can easily separate egg whites from yolks. This demonstrates the power of compressed air. Next, take a potato, cut out a base in 3 small blocks, and use toothpicks to join the blocks together. Insert one into the base, and you've created a fun balancing bird. Finally, place 2 bottle caps on a circular magnet, then put a plastic plate on top. Spin a top, quickly pull out the plate, and you'll see the top levitating. This is the magic of magnetic levitation. Stick aluminum foil tightly to the positive and negative ends of a battery to ignite cotton. This showcases the law of resistance. A top can't stand upright on its own, but if you spin it with a string, it not only stands but also performs a tightrope act on the string. Even when suspended from one end, it maintains balance. This demonstrates the conservation of momentum. A single straw can't lift a wine glass, no matter how you try. But if you fold the straw at about 1/3 of its length, you can easily lift the glass. Next, use a thumbtack to poke 2 holes in an egg and extract the egg liquid. Melt a candle in a pot, then use a syringe to inject the melted wax into the eggshell. You've created a fun roly-poly toy. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze out the juice. Use a pen to dip in the lemon juice and write on white paper. The writing will only appear when heated, revealing the secret of ancient invisible ink messages. If you accidentally get gum stuck on your pants and can't peel it off, just place an ice cube on it for 5 minutes. After that, you can easily remove the gum. Secretly pour some milk into a bottle of Coke and leave it still for 24 hours. The Coke will turn transparent. Wrap copper wire tightly around a screw and connect it to the positive and negative ends of a battery. This demonstrates the principle of an electromagnet. Place a piece of tissue paper in the bottom of a glass and pour water over it. Wet it thoroughly and press it against another glass. The glasses will stick together firmly, allowing you to lift one with the other. Place a ping pong ball at the outlet of a hairdryer. Even if you move the hairdryer around, the ping pong ball will remain suspended in the air, illustrating Bernoulli's principle. Pour some water into a container. Light a candle and place it on the water's surface. Use a glass to press the candle into the water, and the candle will continue to burn underwater. Squeeze a bit of shampoo, add a spoonful of sugar, pour in some water, and stir well. Pour the mixture onto a table and blow bubbles with a straw. When you gently poke the bubbles, they turn into smoke. If you place a straw in a glass without any preparation, nothing happens. However, if you fill the straw with water first, the water will flow into the empty glass, demonstrating the siphon effect. Don't throw away used laundry detergent bottles. Heat a nail and use it to poke holes in the cap. You've now made a handy watering tool that allows you to control the flow of water. Explaining science 100 times can't match the joy of experimenting with your child.